In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Leadpages efficiently and effectively. This process is a straightforward way to merge your existing domain with an incredibly useful landing page platform like Leadpages. Whether you're setting up a new marketing campaign or simply looking to optimize your online presence, this connection will streamline your web management process. Now, let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your web browser. In the search bar, type in Leadpages and press Enter. Be sure to click on the correct link that takes you directly to the official Leadpages website. It's important that you access the legitimate site for security and functionality purposes. Once on the Leadpages site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have one, for this process, you'll need to create an account as it provides the foundation for connecting your domain. For those who already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and press Enter. After you've successfully logged in, navigate your cursor to the left sidebar of the dashboard where you should see an option labeled Domain. Click on Domain. You'll then see an option that says Connect a Domain. Click this to initiate the connection process. The next step involves entering your domain name. You'll need to type in your root domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, or alternatively, you can opt for a custom subdomain. This will depend on how you wish to set up your online presence. Entering this information accurately is crucial as it determines how visitors will access your site. If your domain is registered with Godaddy, the process becomes more streamlined. You'll notice a button labeled Authorize. This button is the bridge between Leadpages and Godaddy. Click on Authorize, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Godaddy account. This login confirms your identity and grants Leadpages the necessary permissions to access your domain settings. Once logged into Godaddy, follow the in-app prompts. Leadpages will guide you through completing the connection. They provide clear instructions that walk you through selecting the desired product or publication you want your domain to point to on Leadpages. It's an intuitive process designed to help you efficiently complete the setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Godaddy domain to Leadpages, opening the door to creating and managing professional, high-converting landing pages. With your domain now connected, you're all set to take full advantage of what Leadpages has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your online endeavors.